In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a timer to video in CapCut PC. If you want to place a clean countdown clock or a stopwatch on top of your footage, this is a very simple way to do it. It works especially well for fast-paced edits, time challenges, progress tracking, or any moment where you want viewers to clearly see time passing on screen. The good thing is that CapCut already includes ready-made animated timer graphics, so you do not need to design one yourself from scratch. To begin, look to the top left area of the CapCut interface and click on the Main Stickers tab. This is where CapCut stores a variety of graphic overlays that you can place on your project. Once that panel opens, move to the category list on the left side and scroll down until you find the section labeled Time. Click on that category to open the timer-related assets. You should now see a grid of different time graphics. Take a moment to browse through the available styles and choose the one that best matches your video. For example, you might prefer a modern digital countdown for a competitive or energetic clip, or a classic stopwatch style for something more general. When you find the timer you want to use, click the blue plus icon on that asset. As soon as you do that, CapCut will place the timer onto your timeline as a sticker layer. You will see it appear as a yellow sticker block positioned above your video clip, which means it is now acting as an overlay on top of your footage. Next, you'll want to adjust it so it looks clean and does not cover important parts of the video. Click once on the yellow sticker block in the timeline to select it, then move to the top right Properties panel. Make sure you are under the Stickers tab and inside the Basic section. Here, look for the Scale slider. Dragging this slider to the left will reduce the size of the timer, which is helpful for keeping it visible but not distracting. After that, go to the Preview window in the center of the screen. Click directly on the timer graphic and drag it into a corner of the frame. This is usually the best placement because it keeps the timer easy to read while leaving the main action of your footage unobstructed. And that's it. You've opened the sticker panel, selected the time category, added a timer overlay to the timeline, and resized and positioned it using the basic controls. With just a few quick adjustments, your timer is ready to go in CapCut on PC.